Friends, Running Kimono here, and this is your Walgreens in-store video for the week of April the 6th to the 12th. And I think we have like 5 or 6 freebies in this video. So if you thought it was a boring week, guess again. And we have a bunch of clearance candy at 50% off, which is always exciting as Easter is right around the corner. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And in so many of these videos, I'm always talking about YouTube Siberia. And I have been in Siberia for the last week because where we live, there was a massive ice storm, and subsequently, we haven't had power, the internet. We're living off of a generator, but these are some photos that I snapped right outside of my street the last couple days. It's been really challenging. There's crews working around the clock, so optimistically, hopefully this week things start changing. But it's been a really, I just never knew how much your power means in this sort of a situation. So if you're dealing with the same thing as deals always come back. I missed out on all the deals last week, but deals always come back. So good thoughts and good vibes on this video so we get our power back, and let's hop right into the deal. So the first one that we have is this Maison Perrier. You're going to find it in your cooler over at Walgreens, and they are 2 for $3. Now for this one specifically, I would say go ASAP because the time ticker of doom has finally showed up on this deal with the IBOTTA app. So if you scoot over to your IBOTTA account, they're giving $2 back for each bottle of this fancy water. Plus, there's a $1 bonus when you purchase 3, meaning that's $7 back. But the time ticker is there. So just the basic deal for this, grabbing 3 for $4.50. And then photographing your receipt at the speed of sound for that $7 back. It makes it free plus a $2.50 money maker. Make it happen right away. And since we don't have any digital boosters this week, if you wish to use Walgreens cash to pay, by all means, go for it. Next deal that we have that is absolutely fantastic is on the Garnier Whole Blends. It has to be this specific shampoo. You're going to load this digital coupon, which is your 3 off of 2. And then if you head over to your IBOTTA, there's also a very similar rebate, which is a $3 back when you purchase 2. And the promotion for this week is to get back a $3 register reward when you purchase 2. Now, unfortunately, nothing was tagged at my store this week. I think the employees are just busy with everything else that, putting up the tagging isn't top of the list this morning. So anyhow, in store, grabbing 2 of these for $8, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $5, get back a $3 register reward, photograph your receipt for $3 back from IBOTTA. Guys, it makes this free plus a $1 moneymaker, which is really fantastic. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And why I'm saying to do these deals in store, it's anything with a register reward. You have to do it in store. Curbside offers, you will not get the register rewards to print if you're a newer shopper. The next deal is to grab 2 of the $4.50 dental care products. Guys, forgive me, I could not get the coupon to load this morning. I was having issues with this one, so hopefully it's working for you or it'll pop up later. But the promotion for this week is to purchase 2 of the $4.50 products with a $4 off coupon. Get back a $5 register reward when you purchase 2. So grabbing 2 of these for $9, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $5 register reward, making this free. And it's okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. So I believe the tubes of toothpaste and these fancier toothbrushes are part of it. Okay, so now we're looking at a sweet deal for some Kinder. They are 3 for $3, so I'm recommending that you grab 3 for this one. I mean, they're $1 a piece, which is really fantastic. Fetch Rewards has $1 back or 1,000 points back for each dollar. So you're going to get back 3,000 points when you grab 3 of them. So definitely make this happen. It's a perfect little item to throw in those Easter baskets. And who doesn't like a little bit of candy? And this is with the Fetch Rewards app. Now we have these nail clippers for $3.99 by the company Japonesque. Now last week we had a store coupon, but the manufacturer, I didn't load it, and for whatever reason this week they gave us both the manufacturer and we still have that store coupon. Here they are. Unfortunately, guys, I can't show you what the digital coupons looks like because I'm kind of limited the computer stuff I can do right now. But load the manufacturer, load both of these right away. This is for a curbside deal tomorrow, just in case they take away that $2 manufacturer, so you have it. Another freebie is with some clearance Walgreens eye drops. They're $2.99, so they're 50% off, and they're buy one get one 50% off. $5 store coupon when you purchase two. So this is just a straightforward deal. If you can track down two of these, it would be $4.48. Get back a $5 store register reward, making this free plus a 51-cent moneymaker. And it's okay to use Walgreens cash to pay this down if you're not doing it with a booster. But most of us don't have that digital booster this week. But just a sweet little deal for some eye drops. And I'll let you guys know because everything going on here, none of my register rewards printed, so a very nice manager just gave me a bunch of Walgreens cash this morning. Now, if you're really trying to fill those Easter eggs and trying to get Easter on the cheap, a lot of candy is 50% off, and I would use Walgreens cash, whatever you may have. Even those Kinder Minis for that, 1,000 points back for each dollar, that would just be ideal as well if you can track them down. And, all this stuff for the kiddos for Easter. It's just the perfect little items. Check those expiry dates so you're not buying really old candy. But a lot of these prices, especially with Easter around the corner, is just absolutely perfect. We also have this Mr. Clean for $5.99. We have a $2 digital. It makes it $3.99. This is a very good price point on a non-sales week. I think some of these are upwards of $7 or $8 at whatever store you're at. So this is a good deal. And now we're going to talk about just some other deals, including the Crest products for $4. And we have a 3 off a 2 digital. Grabbing two of these for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. And again, you're using no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance to earn your register reward. All right, the Pantene for $5. You're going to try and track down two of them for $10. And we have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. So make sure you load that one because that's a little gift if you love the Pantene line. Grabbing two of these products for $10, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $7. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $5 for the two or $2.50 per Pantene. And it's okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're not using a booster in concert with this deal. Now this deal, if you might have a booster, I would totally do it, like a paper booster, to grab a $9.99 razor and a $14.99 refill by Schick. And we have a $3 coupon off of each and a $10 reward when you spend $20 or more. So you have to be more, you can't buy two for $9.99, guys. You have to pass the $20 mark because this is not CVS. So grabbing one of each, a refill and a razor, that's $24.98. Subtracting $6 of digitals, pay $18.98 out of pocket. Get back a $10 register reward. I'm assuming it's a register reward, so this one, double, triple check at your store. And if it's for Walgreens cash, you have to pay the balance. If it's for a register reward, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but nothing was tagged at my store. So this one, if you're going to do, you're going to have to do a little bit of homework, guys, in store. And one of my favorite toilet paper deals of the week is the 2 for $9 for the Angel Soft. $3 reward when you purchase 3 with the $1.50 off a 3 digital coupon. Very straightforward deal. Grabbing 3 of these for $13.50. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $12. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $9 for the 3 or $3 per pack. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're doing this deal with no booster. Other super duper deals is this massive pack of 16 rolls of Angel Soft for $10.99 with that $1 digital coupon is $9.99. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash. and really start stocking up on this wonderful Angel Soft. It's a favorite in our household. And we also have the Snuggle Laundry Care for $3.99 with $1 digital. It's $2.99. I think some weeks some of these products are like crazy expensive at Walgreens. So if you're a fan of Snuggle, this is a stock up week. And the 4 for $10 for the Febreze Tide Simply Gain. It's the second tier P&G laundry care, but if you wanted to use $10 in Walgreens cash, by all means, go and make these deals happen. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.